that's all you have to do to get that other one is just have that torch there. Your other torch to light it. That's the one I still need to do that one. You got this.
What's that?
Yeah. Oh, were you gonna do